Hello and welcome, dear friends. Today we are going to talk about a very special festival called Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a festival of love between brothers and sisters. On this day, sisters tie a beautiful thread called Rakhi on their brother's wrist. This Rakhi is a symbol of protection, care, and strong bonding. Let's understand the true meaning and importance of Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan, a beautiful Hindu festival, celebrates the unconditional bond between brothers and sisters. The term Raksha Bandhan literally means the bond of protection, obligation, or care. This festival is observed on the last day of the Hindu lunar calendar month of the Sarvan, which typically falls in August. Raksha Bandhan is a very special festival in India. It is a festival that celebrates the strong bond between a brother and a sister. The name Raksha Bandhan is made from two words, Raksha, which means protection, and Bandhan, which means bond or tie. So, Raksha Bandhan means the bond of protection. Raksha Bandhan is celebrated differently across India. In West Bengal, it's known as Jhulan Purnima, where prayers and puja of Krishna and Radha are performed. In Maharashtra, the festival is celebrated along with the Narali Purnima Coconut Day festival. In many regions of North India, it's a common practice to fly kites on the nearby occasions of Janmashtami and Raksha Bandhan. On this day, sisters tie a colorful thread called a rakhi on the wrist of their brothers. This thread is not just a decoration, it is a sign of love, care, and a promise. The sister prays for her brother's good health, long life, and happiness. In return, the brother gives her gifts and promises to protect her in every situation. On Raksha Bandhan, people wear new clothes. Sisters prepare a small plate, also called a thali, which has a rakhi, sweets, rice, a small lamp, diya, and some roli, red powder. The sister puts a small tilak on her brother's forehead, ties the rakhi on his wrist, offers sweets, and then the brother gives her a gift. Raksha Bandhan is not only for real brothers and sisters. Many people celebrate it with cousins, friends, and even people who are like family. Some girls tie Rakhi to soldiers, policemen, or others who protect the country. This shows that Rakhi is a symbol of care and respect. This festival brings families closer. It is a time when brothers and sisters who live far away come home and spend time together. It creates happy memories and strengthens the bond between siblings. Many children wait for this day with excitement because they get gifts, sweets, and love. Raksha Bandhan also teaches us good values. It tells us the importance of family, love, trust, and duty. It is a time to forget small fights and show kindness. Even if there is no brothers or sisters, many people still celebrate this day with love in their hearts. In modern times, even sisters give gifts to their brothers. It shows that love is from both sides. Some people also tie Rakhi to nature, pets, or even trees, promising to protect and care for them. This adds a new and a beautiful meaning to the festival. In schools, children enjoy Rakhi making competitions, write poems, or perform dances on this occasion. It helps them understand the culture and the joy of sharing. So, Raksha Bandhan is more than just a festival. It is a celebration of love, protection, and togetherness. It brings smiles, strengthens relationships, and spreads happiness. Every Rakhi tied carries a silent promise. I am always with you. So, friends, Raksha Bandhan teaches us the value of love, trust, and family. It is not just about gifts, but about promises and memories. So, celebrate this Rakhi with love, joy, and respect for each other. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to spread happiness and kindness. See you next time. Please like and subscribe that I complete my journey. Take care and keep learning. Thanks for watching.